Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install mods in the Binding of Isaac. First, you need to have the required DLCs. Mod support starts with Afterbirth Plus, so you must have at least Afterbirth and Afterbirth Plus. Many modern mods are designed for repentance, so it's recommended to have all DLCs for full compatibility. Luckily, these DLCs are often available at a low price. Once you have the necessary DLCs installed, go to the Steam Workshop. There, you can browse and search for mods. You can also sort them by most subscribed, most popular, and other categories to find the best ones easily. After choosing a mod, open its page and click the Subscribe button. Make sure to check the mod description to confirm which DLC it supports, as some mods only work with specific versions like Afterbirth Plus or Repentance. Now, launch the game and press Play. Once the game loads, press Start and select your save file. On the right-hand side, you'll see a Mods option. Click on it and ensure that the mods you installed are enabled. They should not be grayed out. For example, if you want to use a mod like Enhanced Boss Bars, just make sure it's active in the Mods menu. After that, continue your game, and the mod should work properly. That's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content. Take care and see you next time.